you guys were able to read that sign back there, but it said winter advisory. There's a big storm rolling through, so we got up early. We got out of Woodward. Woodward was covered in snow, which was our first sign we needed to leave. But we hit the road early, traveling back to Jersey now. Gonna hang at my parents for a bit, and then I'm gonna head to Philly tonight. So yeah, another day of traveling. Made it. Made it back to Philly. Man, I told myself I wasn't gonna become an everyday coffee drinker, but I can definitely see it happening. I stopped back at my parents' house when I got back from Woodward to watch the Eagles lose miserably. At least this time it was a good game to watch, but man, so disappointing this year. They didn't have a chance at the playoffs anyway, so who cares? But anyway, I'm at Whole Foods, gonna pick up some vegetables, head to Chelsea's house, make some dinner. Excited. It's always good to come back to Philly, man. I love it here. Really gonna miss this place. How you doing? Thank you. Yep, perfect. I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but I'm gonna be taking this car to San Diego with me. I hope it makes it. What is this person doing right now? One way, buddy. Oh my God, we got another guy driving crazy. This is like the new Whole Foods in Philly. It's super big, it's super cool, but it's only like a month old. So it's become like a tourist attraction, I feel. It's almost, see, these people just go everywhere. It's impossible to drive in here without getting into an accident. Not that I've gotten into an accident yet, and I don't plan on getting into one. I'm gonna say for the record, I love going to Whole Foods, I love shopping there, but I hate the fact that I can't go in there and not spend a minimum of $30 every time I go. And it's not even like I got anything that healthy this time. I got like chips. I mean, I guess I got some vegetables. I don't know. Made it to Chelsea's house. It's gonna cap today's video. I know these travel videos are a bit boring, but shout out to everyone that's been watching. Mish!
Did you step on her?
I didn't step on her on purpose. She's crazy, look at her go. Hey Mish! Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button. Keep making videos. Keep making videos. Right Mish? Right Mish?